Hello friends! Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you all of my Christmas decorations. I was going to do a clean and decorate with me, but I decided to just let my family help me clean or decorate everything because for their, their safety and privacy I don't show them on my channel. So I thought I would just decorate and then show you what my decorations look like. So as you can see, right here, I of course have my Christmas tree. And then I just have a green velvet skirt that needs to be vacuumed. But yeah, so on my tree I have these little berries and then these little bells with ribbons. These are actually my grandmother's, and when she passed away, they were given to my dad, and then he gave them to me. So they're very special to me, and so that's kind of the tree thing we went for. Red and gold, I love it. And then our tree topper. So yeah, that is the Christmas tree. And then over here on my TV entertainment center, I have this snowman. Him and a few of my other decorations I got him and a few other decorations in a bin that I got at a yard sale. They're just like, oh, this bin is such and such money, and you can just have whatever's in it. So he was in there. Cute little Santa. On the other side, I have this like wood sign that says Noel. It looks like I took the tag off. I'm not sure where I got it, but I'm pretty sure I got it at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. One of those two places is where I got this Noel sign. And then over here I have my little snowman stocking holder. I'm pretty sure if you've been here, you've seen him in my videos. But yeah, he's just a metal snowman stocking holder. I think he's cute and I like him. And then on all of the doors in my house, I have these bells. So these ones are bigger than the ones on my tree, but they're the same ones. They were my grandmother's, and so I hang these on the door. So I have one here on my laundry room door, like this one. The ribbon or the bow needs to be fixed. This one's on my hall closet door, my coat closet, and then I just have them on other things or other doors around the house. Okay, so back into the living room. This is my coffee table. I have this piece of fabric I found. It's not sewn together. I need to sew it, but for now it works. Just a piece of fabric with some flowers and just really pretty and festive. And then I have this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a snowman plate. And then I have these little balls. This one says ho ho, twinkle, jolly. That one says frosty, and this one says twinkle. Oh no, this one says jingle, sorry. And I just have them displayed. I mean, they are a bit hashed. I've had them for a really long time, so, but I just thought they looked nice on my coffee table here in the living room. And then over here on the couch, here, we'll do this one first. I have these just festive Christmas pillows. This one says Merry and Bright, and this one is a tree with a cardinal on it. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Let me know if that's what that is. I'm pretty sure that's a cardinal. But yeah, I got these actually last year for Black Friday at Target. Me and my sister-in-law went and I picked those up, and I thought they were cute, and I have them on my couch. Okay, so over here on the top of my desk, I have these two snowmen and this plate on a stand. This plate actually one of my friends gave to me probably like 12 years ago with treats on it, and I just used it as decoration this year. And I was like, how can I put this up? And so I just put it on my little stand that I usually have over in my kitchen. So that's that. And then these two snowmen again came in that bin with that other snow, or that other Santa. Just some random things I got, and I thought they would look cute up here on the top of my desk. Okay, so here on my refrigerator I have this cute little magnet. So it has these little magnet pieces, and so each day you put on the pieces. My son has obviously done it for me. But yeah, you just put these little bulbs on, and at the top it has a star that says 25. And so you just build the tree until Christmas. And I thought it was really cute. Okay, so over here in my kitchen on the counter, I have this fake Christmas tree. It's just a short little Christmas tree. I don't have anything on it. It's a pre-lit one, so I just put the lights on. And then I have this adorable sign that says Merry Christmas. With a little car with presents. I love it. Let's see, where did I get this? Oh, I got this at Walmart. I got that at Walmart. And then I have this cute little snowman cookie jar. I do not know where I got him. I've had him for quite some time, but he's cute, and I really, really love this little corner of my kitchen. It is the best. Okay, so here in my dining room above my sliding glass door, I do have these lights strung along the top, and they're twinkly, and I think it brightens up this room at night. So I just love it, especially at night. It's the best. Okay, and then last but not least is my dining room table. So this is my table runner that I usually use for Christmas. This one is actually sewn. So that's that, and so that matches the one in the living room. And then I have another Noel sign, which I got at Walmart. I just thought it looked cute. And then I have this little centerpiece thing that looks like poinsettias. Alright, I turned the lighting up a little bit so you can see it better. But that just sits there. And then over here, I just have my napkin holder, and then I have these little salt and pepper shakers that say Merry and Bright on them. They don't have anything in them, they're just for decoration. But yeah, that is my my dining room table. Alright guys, that is all of my Christmas decorations. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't give it a thumbs up. Go down and hit the subscribe button, you know, do all the nice things. Yeah, I mean, I don't have a whole lot, but my house isn't that big, so yeah. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!